Labrador Nature Reserve is located in south of Singapore. It is part of the Southern Ridges, which also comprises Mount Faber Park, Telok Blanga Hill Park, and Kentridge Park. A home to 70 kinds of birds, 11 species of butterflies, and many more. It is also a site where many historical relics and natural artifacts are located. Nowadays, it is a family-friendly recreational space, a place for nature lovers and history enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next travel content here in the Enrica YouTube channel.